The new Model Y Juniper has an incredibly sleek and minimalist interior. But let's be honest. This stock steering wheel bezel feels a little underwhelming. It's just basic plastic. Today, we're fixing that with a true OEM Plus upgrade. This is the real dry carbon fiber steering wheel bezel overlay. First off, let's talk material. This is not your cheap hydro-dipped ABS plastic. This is 100% real dry carbon fiber. It's ultra lightweight, paper thin, and has that premium matte finish that perfectly matches the Tesla vibe. Because it's pre-preg dry carbon. It's pure, raw texture. Installation takes literally 2 minutes. No tools. No removing the airbag. Look at this edge. Because dry carbon is so thin, it sits incredibly flush. Crucially, the cutouts around the scroll wheels are precise. And tactility-wise, running your hands over this matte weave feels incredible compared to the slick plastic. This dry carbon bezel is the ultimate OEM Plus touch. It ties the whole minimalist cabin together. I've put the link in the description below. Check it out. Let me know in the comments. Matte carbon or gloss?